What's up, friends? Good morning. Happy holidays, everybody. All right. Get rolling. Friends, smash that like button. Let's go. Get ready to hit. Hit it. Let's get some music going on here. Hold on. Oh, market's opening. Oi. All right, hold on. All right, let's see what we got going out the door. Got open market here. Got, oh, wow, resilience really nice. Everything's 90s? No way. Everything's gapped up and going. Sitting here, DD Bam. We've got yellow line right up here. Let's check it. Let's just have some fun with it. First day back. Oops. Let's play with something here. Let's just hit it. Whatever. Let's have some fun. All right, I gotta do this one thing real quick. For the BLU to come up. Oh god, yeah, there we go. Nice, beautiful golden setup. Things looking great. Let's get VIX. What's in the way? I'm glad I jumped in on that one. Looking solid. Let's take a little. That yellow line coming up. Huge, huge ups. Watch out for resilience though. Keep an eye on that. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. I took it easy this holiday season. I didn't like go anywhere. So I'm here. Yeah, you guys hold on one second. I'm doing something really quick. All right. Just hanging in here really quick. Trying to do some quick. Be right back. All right, trade's taking off pretty good. All sides are looking decent. Just watch out for resilience. That's all. Make sure that that's... So I don't know what I'm going to do when I hit yellow line. Should I take profit? Call it? What's up, y'all? All right, getting some setup stuff here. All right, just hanging in here, guys. Good morning, good morning. What's up, everyone? Happy holidays. St. Nick is missing in the market. Says hedge pressure seems to have been touched and that warrant a cautionary state. It should, unless it's just visual on here. Should have, unless it just open touch up. Yeah, it should have triggered a yellow. Maybe it just didn't Maybe it's just visual on here. Maybe the physical number that we took polling on didn't actually touch it or go below it. So the answer is yes. It just seems to be just related to probably just the process probably didn't pick it up. Yeah, I think so. I'll take some off yellow. Frez is going to be negative. It's positive right now and good. All lights are green, so anything above 0 is really bullish. All right, so take a look at what's going on this week. I'm gonna get a little catch up on the news. Let's give him a lighter news week. Yeah, it's gonna be a very mild week, so I don't think there's anything to create any much of resistances here. So we'll see if today is the day we push through yellow line and break the highs. I do like what I see. Everything looks good. We've been fighting this yellow line for a while. I think we still are trying to retrace a lot of the move that we had. We add this. Retrace a lot of that down move from last week. Appreciate y'all waking up and trading alongside our stream, hanging out with us in the morning. All right, it's 400 bucks so far. Not a terrible setup play here. Maps are looking decent going into February. That's what I want to see. The maps are still looking solid, still looking very bullish. I do like what I see. All signs are decent going into the near for that, so that's good. All right. Very solid setup. Very nice bullish day today. Slight, you know, super clean, nothing crazy. All right, still hanging in there. Deciding if I want to cut out a yellow line or not. All right. All right, y'all. Have I ever shorted a BLU setup? I typically wouldn't. I can't say ever. It's like never, but I typically would unless I had a really good reason. Like a resilience or something. But no, I wouldn't short a bull setup. Against like a greater bull market, I wouldn't. Yeah, I mean, trimming it yellow would be possible. We hit it yesterday and rejected, or on Friday and rejected. And now, just so you guys something really quick. So right now, there's that 48.26 red line. This is one of those ones where I'm probably just going to risk it. And we'll see. Unless I get a sign that things are looking bad, I'll probably bail. So my bet is that we complete the move today. So yeah, technically speaking, trimming at yellow is not a terrible idea. And then getting back in once it confirms a break. I might just hang through it. All right. Gonna do a little upkeep here since I'm first trading day after Christmas is probably gonna be a light day. Let's see if we get that momentum today, hit that yellow and keep going. Yeah, that's why I'm just wondering, like, you know, watching this to see if it's deteriorating or not. I find a little selling pressure here, but not too much. Nasdaq is pushing the highs. Trying to push the highs again. At least for the session highs. Let's see how that's working out. Yeah, Nasdaq still pushing all-time highs still. Still actually higher than all-time highs. Trying to break out of this range. It is really trying to get a little momentum here. At that 17,050 level. 17,080 is that green line on yellow on Nasdaq, which is looking pretty solid. Russell also picking up a little momentum. Like nothing today is showing signs of selling, so I think I'm just gonna hang in here and feel pretty okay. The one hold back that we have is the VIX. You know, we have VIX above triple B, so it'll be overshooting of pivots. You know, obviously the market can, you know, this is like when we say overshooting of pivots, that's this state right here, where it just kind of plays at the level and then behaves. So that's what we're looking at. Busy day today. So much stuff to set up for the end of the new year, beginning of the new year. Double in at the hedge pressure? You mean adding to it? No, I wouldn't. Anytime I add to a position, it's to lower my cost basis, not to add to the risk. So if I want to like, if I want to add, like if I bought at hedge pressure, which is exactly what I did. Like if I wanted to add, I'd have to add to get a lower cost basis. So essentially, if I bought here and it hit it again, I'm just adding at the same spot. Now, again, nothing wrong with you doing that. It's just sometimes I just always like to have maneuverability. So say that I'm long somewhere and it, you know, I wanted to add to the position. If it fell lower, so I can get a better cost basis off of the pivot I want. I always try to not double down at the same spot. Just in practice. Now in this case, it might not be a terrible idea. There are no bad signs. Everything's good today. Golden. This is the golden setup if there ever was one. The perfect golden setup. Everything is gorgeous this morning. I can't find a single problem with the market. Everything is just clean. You'll see this. It doesn't get any cleaner than this. This is as golden as it gets. Actually, let me get those Vimeo videos up as well. So we had a couple of videos we did last week. Get them for y'all. What was this one? Remember the title of some of these? So this is a trade review of today. We're at the end of December. Okay, trade review? I thought I did. Oh no. Okay, what about this one? Hold on. We made 3 videos last week.
This is Christmas week. This is VIX monthly expiration. We're all all-time highs and rallying. We're squeezed. So I just missed out on it.
I thought I did something. Maybe it's the wrong video. Hold on. Let me make 3 educational videos. Golden setup. Oh, maybe golden setup. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna add these to the website real quick.
Don't trade after 2 p.m.
2 p.m. roll. Aha. The 2 p.m. roll. All right. Okay, one more. Another. Just make it. I'm adding these videos really quick to the Zoom call. Golden setup. Oh, that's what. Okay. And this one was liquidity pockets, I think.
This is a random rule for liquidity pockets.
Okay. All right. Just kind of getting a little work done while we're waiting here. How's the trade doing? I'm still doing okay. I think I like to hang in here for some highs. Okay, liquidity pockets. I already have a random roll. Oh, okay. I already have one.
So this is the video on bullside breakouts using the DD rule. Now, this is not something we normally teach as a trading strategy, but this is something that anybody can do, and it's not a terrible idea as long as
Bullside break. Alrighty, we'll call that that. Advanced concept. Did y'all have a good holiday? What did y'all do? Let's hear some stories. Anybody do something really cool, really fun? Are you still doing something fun? Are you still out and about? What's this trade setup here? I'll just put the trade setup in advance. Trade review. Just do that in the advanced series. This is a good example. Public. Okay, I'm adding a few more videos to the website. How's the trade doing? Pretty good. Trying to stay busy up here. You want to hold on past yellow and see if today's the day it keeps pushing. We'll see. Yeah, I think it's close. I don't know. ATH on this contract or on SPY? I don't have a SPY chart up. At least red line today would be nice. What is all-time high on SPY? 479.66 or 98. Oh yeah, thanks. 479. It's about 50 more points from here. Now, DD's a little bit before. It's about 20 points under all-time highs on S&P basis. So 2 points underneath SPY. But it's close. It's almost there. At minimum, red line seems to be like, you know, needs the next stop. I have an IRL at 48.26. It's very close. This is closing off that sell-off that we had after Fed Day. I think it was Thursday, whatever day that was. Was that Fed Day? I've been kind of out of it the last. Was this? No, that wasn't Fed Day, was it? No, that was something different. A lot has happened between Wednesday and now. And most of it I wasn't sober, so whatever. Oh, this was that cascading sell-off day. I thought I made a video on that. That's what I think I was missing a video on, like how stuff can tumble apart. Maybe I didn't record it. Yeah. It has been like Christmas party after Christmas party after Christmas party. I'm a sucker anytime someone's like, let's go to this thing. It's a private event, invite only, blah, blah, blah. Let's check out this new spot or this new this. I'm like, okay, I like new things. I hate general admission stuff. I hate waiting in lines. No offense. I hate people crowding me. So I don't like people that much in the crowd sense. I love people in a human sense. I love all people. I'm taking care of people and such. The crowds of people, y'all scare me. I work hard in life to really indulge in like one thing that I really spend a lot of money on, and that's to avoid people. Crowds, I get like claustrophobic or something. So anytime I feel like, oh, it's like an event, or we have a table, or we have, you know, this thing, and I'm like, oh, thank God, not to wait in line or whatever. I'm not like my friends who go out there and buy Bugattis or whatever. I'm like, can I just pay to skip a line? That's great. So lately, there's been a lot of new restaurant openings and not only thing openings, and everybody's like, actually, I haven't really spent any money these last couple weeks either. Been a light. Clean off my desk here. So it's been like a lot of private house parties and things, and it's just like, here's a party here, let's go. And I'm like, okay. I got nothing else to do. I'm a little tired. I don't usually rage too hard. I'm usually a workaholic. Done the last one or two. There's been a lot of events popping. Now we are at yellow line. I could trim here. Let's gauge it. Louis says 476.54. That sounds good. Looks like once the volume came through at yellow, like when you get that volume spike that comes through, and once the volume starts to deteriorate, whatever sign you're on usually carries the rest of the day. So we could probably, obviously there's no volume here and we push through it. So it would be a strange thing for volume just to appear out of nowhere, but maybe. We will see. What's going on here? Are you guys enjoying yourselves? Up about $600, not terrible for a today. Yeah, it should apply to everything. That's what I'm saying is like your loose pivots are going to be like the market's just going to be, you know, a little more volatile than normal. So this could still be trying to reject. So we're looking for where volume starts to appear. Is that volume rejecting this line? It seems like that volume is not rejecting that line. So things looking pretty solid today. Nice, calm, quiet, easy day. So let's see how this works. How this works out. Let's see if room to move. This is a nice entry right out the door. Just longed on the box. I mean, had huge resilience. Took a long right off of type mode 2. Pretty good. T, why you hate me so much? Market, whatever. What time is it? 9:30. Whatever. Let's just take it. I don't want to fight here. I know I'm probably gonna get back in if it longs. I'll just take the $500 and call it. This growing volume here, a little scary. I'll just kind of walk. I'm not unhappy with the $500 gain. How often do I feel comfortable with the long entry at the open before liquidity maps populate? It doesn't really matter how comfortable I am, because the answer is not comfortable at all, because I only have one data point, right? What matters is what I do when everything pops up. So if you open right here and you start to move higher, I usually always jump in. When this pops up and hedge pressure was right there, if you rewind the stream, you'll hear me go, oh, hell yeah. I was really happy, right? That's a lucky play. Like I got this and then this showed up good. And I'm like, good, I'm in at the start. That I liked. Even so, it doesn't matter what I do on the, in my confidence level, what I do on the trade's the same. If I long here at the open, then I've got a 10-point stop, regardless. So it's very rarely going to move 10 points against me for the rest to populate, right? Great question. So res is a stronger predictor than liquidity map anyway. So I really much always kind of take that trade out the door anyways. Just on that merit alone. And I know I'm probably being like a little wuss on this, but let me see. What is it? 48.18. Where's the... Here we go. Here we go. No, res matters outside the box as well. There's different modes. Here, let me show you. Glad that you asked that. Mode 2. In the box pushes to the box. Outside the box is support on the box. So this would be my pivot with the stop 10 points below. So res outside the box itself is a pivot. The gap and go is what they call it. So what it means is that it's a really strong predictor that the open is going to be support as well. If you're in the box or below the box, it's a strong predictor that the open will be achieved, or the close, whatever the fill is. So in this case, if you were like down in here, positive res, we'd want to achieve touching the box, and then first resistance we close. Outside of the box, it's a great, we've just observably noticed that the open is supporting more than anything. If all the stocks are gapped up and continuing to go, then the S&P is less likely to close its gap if all the other stocks are doing the same. Watch me get scared out way too early like a wuss on this. What if I just put a small spot on it? I already have $500. Let me see if I get this yellow support. It is trying to break through, so I don't hate it. VIX is starting to decay out. It's looking really solid. Got like a point on that. Let's put something small, 6. Okay, so I'm putting my position back on. I know I trimmed about half of what I did. So basically I've trimmed half, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to take the yellow break from here to 32. That's another 14, 15 points, a 10-point stop. So about a 2.5 to 1 trade. But yeah, great question, D. So this is going to be a set and forget it trade. Really nothing else to say here. I'm just going to watch all the signs. We'll probably call the stream in a little bit. Nice, short, easy day. I'll jump in the Discord after that. So essentially we're going from here to there. 10-point stop below yellow basically is all I'm doing. So we'll see y'all later. I'll report in. Made like 500 and something bucks. This might be another 500 if it goes. We'll see. Actually, let's see. 18 and 32. It's 14 points on 6. Yeah, it'll be about 500 bucks. All right, we will see y'all later. Good trading day. Easy bull. Long up, setup, golden setup. Nothing crazy here. That's pretty standard out the door. I usually take those resilience trades. I mean, super quick. Liquidity map pops up. I'll adjust your play. So this is pretty nice and good. We'll see y'all later. Light day. It's after the holidays. You guys go enjoy yourselves. See, you know, spend some time with family or spend some time getting back to the grind at work or whatever it is you're doing today. Y'all have a wonderful day. We love y'all.